How to switch to eComm. First of all, you need a user area. If you don't have one, sign up in our website. If you do have a user area, log in and go to Options. Under Options, go to Settings. Scroll down to Communication Method and select User Area. Remember to select the option Receive an email alert to be informed each time you receive a notification in your user area. This is a very useful option for non-frequent users. If you don't select this option, remember to check your user area mailbox on a regular basis. Would you like to receive an alert in your user area informing you of the main milestones of your trademark? For example, when your trademarks are published or registered. Just select Yes and save changes. Congratulations! You are now an eComm user. This is how it looks. There are 4 tabs in the Communications section of the user area. New. See your new communications here. Pending. Store communications here to deal with later. Sent. See all of your sent items here. Archive. If you move any communications here, please note they will disappear from your inbox after 30 days but will still be in your eSearch files. If you did not choose the option to receive official EUIPO communications electronically when registering, you can choose to do this at any time in the Options section of your user area. By opening a current account with us, you could then also join our Key User program. Interested? Contact us directly at keyusermanagement@euipo.europa.eu. We look forward to hearing from you.